sa atin ni BBM ang ulo ni Romualdez dahil pag hindi niya ginawa, hindi titigil ang protesta. Kahit isang araw lang na protesta, once a week, for example, yung One Taft Consortium ng mga kolehiyala sa Taft, St. Co, St. Paul's, you know, all these girls who don't even like sunlight, lumabas sila. Oh, gawin nyo lang yan mga anak every week. Oh, UP, Ateneo, Katipunan, oh, once a week, oh, once a week, once a week. Well, we can do once a week. We might not be able to do every day, but we can all do once a week until BBM is done, right? So, what's his choice? Keep his cousin, who has all his secrets, or keep his title? Of course, it's the political survival of BBM that he is after. No one after this. Mark my words, wala nang boboto sa Marcos sa 2020. Kawawa ka, Sandro. Ikaw sana ang political dynasty ng parents mo.
Wow.
Na sinira ni Romualdez ang dynasty mo dahil hindi ka iboboto ng tao.